Simplify your construction project. Starting from a single unit, you can purchase or lease a Silverline Building System. Silverline can grow to unlimited square footage. Choose the size based on what you're going to do with your space. It can be set lightly or permanently to its foundation, to remain in place or be relocated. The Silverline Building System starts with an open floor plan ready to use. It's perfect for classrooms, offices, and a wide variety of special uses. Triumph's Silverline Building System is pre-designed and pre-engineered to be delivered quickly. Silverline has the durability of traditional construction. In addition to Silverline, Triumph does totally custom modular projects, with a typical time savings of 40 to 50%. So whether you want rapid delivery of the Silverline system or a highly customized modular building project, Triumph delivers.